Hello guys, Harar Mahadev. So in this video we are going to learn how to read PNF charts which are very accurate and having high accuracy methods, especially if you are an option seller or um, positional stock buyer. So let's start with basics. So I will teach you how to read PNF charts and some patterns in some basic patterns of PNF charts. Actually, there is more than 20 plus method, but I will teach you two um, some basic. I will teach you some basic methods of PNF chart. So first of all, I am opening this PNF chart in a trade point. Okay, so you can. There are many applications you can trade in anyone. So I have trade point in my system. So first of all, I will plot an PNF chart. Okay. So first of all, I will plot a straddle. Okay, straddle of Nifty. Today's expiry 25 400 straddle. See what is straddle? Straddle means Nifty 25 400 means 2500 PE and CE combined premiums mean premium of 25 400 call and put combined. Okay, so I will use box size of this chart. I will use box size of this chart as 0.50. Okay, 0.50. We'll take this in percentage and reversal of this box size will be 3. Okay, for options. Okay, so here we'll get and we'll open this chart at 1 minute time frame. Okay, so this was the chart of 25 400 call and put straddle. Okay, so how I get the sell signal in this chart. Okay, first of all we'll learn some basic methods of PNF chart. Okay, see, uh, there are mainly two candles in PNF chart. You will not call them candles, but I will teach you that. For example, this. Okay, okay, this. Okay, if I see this chart here. Okay, so there is a two structures in this chart. This X, see this X like this blue X. Okay, and second was O, X and O. Now these X are the green candles of this chart. Okay, these X are the green candles of this chart. Okay, let me. Okay, these X are the green candles of this chart. Okay, see, X means from here to up, and O means red candles. O means it is falling down. X means it is coming up. O is means it is coming down. Now, first of all, we'll learn a simple pattern which is double top buy. Okay, I am writing in many charts that this is double top buy. Now, what is double top buy? I will teach you that. Okay. Okay, first of all, see this area. See this area. I hope you are able to see. See, from here, price fell down. Okay, and we got bullish column here. Okay, XXX from downside. to upside. Okay, from 20 to 25. Okay, so this is bullish column, and from there we got a bearish column. Okay, so the high of this bullish column, if uh, the next candles of PNF chart, if crossed this, then this is called double top buy. This is double top. See this. This is a double top. See, if there is an X column and there is a um, O column, then the third column, if crossed this is called double top buy. And see this call from 2023 to added towards 25. Okay, so this is called double top buy. I will show you another example of double top buy. um, okay, so here is the another example of double top buy. Okay, I see this chart in 1 minute. Okay, so here X column. Okay, here O column, and the third column is here we got a double top buy. Okay, you can watch this value here also, like here. Okay, here we got a double top buy in this chart. Okay, so from here we got double top buy. Now we'll observe double bottom sell. Okay, the next pattern is double bottom sell. Okay, okay. Now what is double bottom sell? I will show you. Tools. See this. This is double bottom sell. Okay, here we got uh, okay, here we got a O column. See this column. Here we got a O column, X column, and another O column. Here we will get a double bottom cell. Okay, double bottom cell, and another double bottom cell activated here. O column, X column, and another O column means double bottom cell. Okay, double bottom cell is bearish. O, here we also get a double bottom cell. Okay, here we also get a double bottom cell. This is for trading. You can use this as trading. Okay, here we got a double top buy. Here we get a double bottom cell. O, X, and O. O is crossing this two low is double bottom cell. Okay, here we also get got a double bottom cell. See this. So this is called double bottom sell and double top buy. Okay, double top buy is a bullish pattern and double bottom sell is a bearish pattern. I see this in 1 minute chart. Okay, reverse box size 3 and 0.50 the chart size. Okay, um, so in 1 minute chart you can observe call and puts is they are bullish or bearish. Okay, now the other thing is anchor column. See, anchor column is useful for noiseless chart. Okay, anchor column make chart noiseless. If you get bearish anchor column, okay, then uh, then the chart is bearish. Okay, heavily bearish, so you can short uh, that call or buy the put of other strike price if the calls are showing bearish anchor column. Okay, for example, example of bearish anchor column, you can see bearish anchor column after double bottom sell and a big candle. Okay, see here, I will show you here. Focus here. Focus here. Tools, rectangle here. Here we got a double bottom cell. Okay, here we got a double bottom cell. See, O coming down, X up, and another. Here we got double bottom cell plus a big, plus this candle is bigger. Okay, a bigger candle from this chart. Okay, uh, this was the uh, bigger O column. Okay, so this is called double bottom cell plus and bearish anchor column. Okay, I will use the indicator of bearish anchor column. See, after this chart fell down and another bearish anchor column here. Okay, so how many bearish anchor column you can spot in this chart from here to here? Okay, from here to here. Okay, I will give you 5 seconds. You can see see this chart from here to here. Okay, how many bearish anchor column you can spot? Okay, done. See, I will show you. There is a first bearish anchor column here, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Okay, the larger bearish anchor column is 7. Okay, there are mini anchor columns also, but we will see a larger. So there are 7 large bearish anchor columns in this chart here. Okay, so this was the chart, okay, of 25 400 call and put. Now let's see where we got a sell. First of all, we'll learn a bullish anchor column also. So if you get for example, if you get a bullish anchor column in 25 400 call chart, so you can buy 25 400 call chart with stop loss of the low of bullish anchor column. Okay, for example, here we got a bullish anchor column and a long tail here. Okay, this was a double top buy in this call. Okay, 25 400, then it went to 222, and this is the straddle chart, but I'm just showing here you got a double top buy. Okay, here you got a double top buy at 23, and the call went towards this straddle went towards 48. Okay, almost 2x. So how this chart becomes bullish with bullish anchor column and follow through. Okay, this was the biggest bullish anchor column. Then we got a 2 bearish anchor column. Okay, and this chart was bearish. Okay, so let's learn this. How can we identify the bullish and bearish anchor column? See, if you get bearish anchor column in a call chart, okay, for example 25 400, you got a bearish anchor column like this, means 25 400 call is bearish, you can buy 25 400 put. Okay, of uh, the same expiry and same chart. Okay, for example, we got 20 bearish anchor column in 25 400 chart, and 25 400 call. If you got bearish anchor column, means 25 400 put will be bullish. Okay, so place the stop loss of the low of bearish anchor column and buy that. Okay, let's analyze some charts. Okay, I will place a straddle chart which I traded from 8th July, 7th July to um, today's expiry. Okay, and I got a sell signal on that day. So I will type Nifty 10th July expiry, which we did today, 25 400. Okay, we are talking about straddle Nifty 25 400 straddle. Okay, 0.50 box size, reversal, box 3. Okay, I will open this chart in 1 minute time frame. I will use some pattern for you so that you can study easily. Okay, I will use some pattern here. uh, Double bottom cell which is in a tomato color, okay, on this chart, and double top buy, okay, which is in a blue color. Okay, and I'll add another study which is uh, bullish. So I will type anchor, bearish anchor column. Okay, so you will get a red outline in this chart. See this of candle, we will get red outlines in this chart, which is bearish anchor column. And see, after bearish anchor column, I will tell you how to trade this. Okay, first of all, we'll use some indicators for stop loss. I'm using triple moving averages, 10, 15 and 20. Okay, so we got a triple moving averages here. Okay, so this chart becomes bearish on first of all here. This chart became bearish here, but it took SL here. Okay, in profit, we trailing SL it was, because we sold here and took SL. Again this chart becomes bearish here. Okay, at ninth date, see, you can see the dates here. Okay, so on 9th July, okay, at 12:55 we got a sell signal in this chart here with a bearish anchor column. Okay, so after bearish anchor column, we'll try to test some multiple counts. Okay, for example, um, I will open some multiple vertical counts from here. Okay, because it was bearish anchor column, and you see here tomato lines, we are getting double bottom sell also, and these three lines will be your SL. Yeah. Okay, so the two targets. Okay, so the value of this straddle was some 195. Okay, from 195 we got two targets here, which was 165 and 157. Okay, here 169 and 157. Okay, and both the targets, both the counts were achieved, but we also get uh, bearish anchor column here. Okay, so this was our two targets. Okay, so I will not open the multiple counts of this bearish anchor column. I will open multiple counts of this bearish anchor column, because we are having target of this 157. Okay, so we will not open bearish open count of this vertical column. So I have sold call and puts of 25,400 with combined premiums of 190. Okay, so here we got a bearish anchor column. Okay, so I will open multiple counts. Again, we got a count of 145 and 134. Okay, and both counts were achieved, and we got a larger bearish anchor column. Okay, so I will again open multiple counts here. Now the counts were 98 and 77. Okay, so from 192 it went to 98. Okay, I have sold this. Okay, now till here I will not open any bearish anchor column counts. Okay, till 77. Okay, it went to 77 here. Okay, so I will open another bearish anchor column counts here. Open multiple vertical counts. Okay, we got two counts of 72 and 66, because bearish anchor column was small. Okay, now see here, till 66 I will not open, and we got a larger bearish anchor column here, so I will open the counts here. Now the counts were 42 and 32. Okay, now what happened here actually, um, call went to 44. Okay, 44 and count was 42. Okay, now the trailing stop loss get hit here with the Sensex spike. You remember Sensex spike on expiry? Due to that, this was stop loss was taken here at 55. Okay, so we got 192 to 55 points, means some 150 point premiums. Okay, so we got 150 point premiums, but again we got a bearish anchor column here. Okay, so I will sell again with multiple vertical counts here of 31 and 22. On this expiry day, we got both counts of 31 and 22, and I closed the trade and also updated you all that I have closed this trade. Under that, here I have updated you. So this is how you can analyze this as a noiseless chart. Okay, see many bearish anchor column. Okay, and let's see how this chart becomes bullish from when. Okay, uh, I will add bullish anchor column. Okay, now the bullish anchor columns are marked. Okay, so the first bullish anchor column was here in this chart from where our stop loss got hit. Okay, um, I will open multiple vertical counts of this. Okay, so the call was bullish at 50 with the counts of 52 and 56. This straddle was bullish. Okay, so our both target what was achieved, and again we got a bearish anchor column, but again we got a bullish anchor, small bullish anchor column. So I will open that target was 60.55 and the call was at 50. Call was at 53, 52. So we got both counts achieved. Okay, another bullish anchor column was opening target of 83 and 1110, but our stop loss got hit because here we got a double bottom sell. See here we got a double bottom sell, a red tomato line and a bearish anchor column, and we got a count. Okay, so now how I captured that 19 rupees call will do wonders. See here at 2:15 around 2 p.m. what I had seen here is a vertical count here, a bullish anchor column. First bullish anchor column was made here. See this bullish anchor column, we took a stop loss. Okay, and this straddle was showing another bullish anchor column with 38 as a spike. Okay, and we got a spike till 54. Okay, so here we bought 19 rupees call today and it went to 60. My target was 50 because of this 38. So this straddle was showing this, and see here TMA crossover happened here. Okay, and this call closed bullish because of the larger bullish anchor column. Okay, I hope you all understood this very well. Now let's see this in another chart. Okay, if you are willing to learn technical analysis, then you will enjoy this video, otherwise you will not enjoy this. Another trade which I had done, which was Sensex. Okay, Sensex, same expiry 15 July. See after Tuesday, on Tuesday I have sold this, so I will show you. Sensex we got an expiry at 83,700. So I took 84,000 call and 83,500 put. Okay, box size 50. Okay, let's take this chart in 1 minute. We'll add study, double bottom sell, double top buy, bearish anchor column. Okay, add some indicator for stop loss, TMA lines. Okay, so Sensex expiry was at for example 9th was Wednesday on 8th. Okay, on 8th date, let's say the straddle was here. Okay, the straddle was here with the value of 8 846. Okay, I sold at 800, but see this straddle at 846 at Tuesday after expiry. Okay, so what I will do here, I got a bearish anchor column and I have sold this call strangle. Okay, what is strangle? Strangle means two different strikes. Okay, For example, on Sensex expiry day, I have sold the next expiry 84,000 call and 83,500 put. Okay, so let's say I will open counts here. Big bearish anchor column. Okay, so from 800, both targets was achieved till 684. Okay, and I will open another multiple vertical counts here, because till here there was one bearish anchor column, but our target was 684. So after 684, I will open next target. Okay, so 580 and 510. Okay, 580 and 510, we achieved first target, and here our SL was taken at what was the value, 600. Okay, so from 800 to 600 I got 200 points profit. Okay, and here we got a Sensex spike. Okay, and here we got another sell signal. Okay, so I will open any sell signal, I will open vertical counts. Okay, so the vertical counts was of 459, and again we got uh, it took our stop loss here. Okay, because of the spike in Nifty options today. Okay, so here Sensex also spiked. So from this you can analyze the trend of the market also, and you will make money very easily by using this. Okay, you can use this in any trading platform. It is not important to use trade point. Harar Mahadev. Hope this. I'm using this technique from uh, a long time. To I am an option seller, so I'm selling options and make money. So you can also make money if you have minimum 10 lakhs of capital. Okay, and if you have more than 50 lakhs, then it is very better. So you can make money easily, and this is known as noiseless chart. I hope um, you have learned something in this video. Happy Guru Purnima. Harar Mahadev.